again, my PmP Kitchen frenzies. Welcome to another video from the Pinch Me Please. It's Gluten-Free Kitchen. I just wanted to cover some basics about the videos right quick, just to clear up some details. So, number one, the recipe or recipe photo shot that you will see in the beginning of each tutorial is purely for reference only. I do not really follow any recipe I have come across, or my own, to be honest, to an absolute T. I am a person of flavor, so I concoct things to exert that. And so flavor it is, without all the bad stuff, of course, that I put into my thoughts into the recipes that we will be making here. Also, you will notice that a handful of the recipes are not originally gluten-free. So I take those and I modify and alter them to become gluten-free. I do not own the recipes in the reference photos either. I just use them for guidance and create my own recipes out of the information on that recipe. So with that being said, number two, you do not have to follow my or the reference guide recipes to a T either. You may manipulate, adjust, anything to your own liking or preference, just to make sure to stay in that gluten-free lane. All right, on to number three. I will say it again. I want to express it again. Please, please do not be stressed out or feel overwhelmed with all the spices or the ingredients that are going to be used. They are actually quite common, but they're gluten-free. So once you buy them, you will find a variety of ways to reuse them, especially with the recipes that you'll be learning here. And now the best part, the most important part of all is have a blast. Have a blast, peoples. This is an extremely fun, relaxed environment, and I want you all to feel so welcomed, enthusiastic, blessed, and loved. So put all that energy, get all that energy and put that into your newfound fixins. So let's jump into the kitchen with our first tutorial and get rocking gluten-free in the PmP Kitchen. I'll see you there.